National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, has shut down the Peace Standard Pharmaceutical Limited, Bioraj Pharmaceutical Limited both in Ilorin, Kwara State, and the Emser Pharmaceuticals Industry, Lagos, as it probed the codeine-based syrup epidemic. Codeine-based syrup is used in treatment of cough, but when abused could lead to harmful and deadly addiction. In a statement by NAFDAC on Monday, Director General of the agency, Professor Mojisola Adi said that the clampdown was due to the company's inability to provide required documents for NAFDAC officials during the inspection of the facilities at Ilorin in Lagos. Due to insufficient evidence gathered and apparent resistance to provide needed documents during inspection on May 2, 2018 at the respective companies in Ilorin and Lagos, respectively, it has become necessary to shut down all product lines of the three companies. The companies are the Peace Standard Pharmaceutical Limited at Plots 3 and 8, a dual industrial estate, Lubcon Avenue, Ilorin, Kwara State, and Bioraj Pharmaceutical Limited, No. 405 Ku Road, Ilorin, Kwara State. Also shut down was the Emser Pharmaceuticals Indiana Limited, Ajao Estate, Lagos. This is to allow for a full and comprehensive investigation. The three companies therefore remain closed, the statement said. On May 2 and 3, a team of 9 NAFDAC officers were sent to carry out investigational inspection at the companies that are licensed to manufacture codeine-containing syrup, and which were implicated in a BBC documentary. The team comprised of 2 from Drug and Evaluation Research DARE and 7 from Investigation and Enforcement I&E, and 10 mobile police officers. The focus of the assignment was to access and monitor from records the utilization, sales and effective distribution of the codeine-containing cough syrups to the end users. Meanwhile, meeting of the stakeholders mentioned above is being planned while the shutdown and full investigations continue. The reopening of the manufacturing companies will depend on the level of cooperation that is shown during the comprehensive investigation, the statement said. The news agency of Nigeria reports that the Federal Health Ministry announced a ban on the production and import of cough syrup containing codeine last week. This was in the wake of a BBC documentary on how codeine-based cough syrups were fueling an addiction epidemic in northern Nigeria. We earlier reported that a students' advocacy group has condemned the ban of codeine drug by the federal government of Nigeria. The advocacy group, Students for Sensible Drug Policy, SSDP, said the ban of codeine by the federal government could breed negative consequences for the country. In a statement signed by its national coordinator, Mrinfolu Adniyai, the SSDP said monitoring the supply chain and mopping up the product would have served as a better action to ending the illicit use of codeine cough syrup.